Warren Buffett $1 million lesson. It's a far better to buy a great business at a fair price than a fair business at a great price. Right now, one company gives this exact rare opportunity. Strong business, real profit, long-term winner. Company name Upwork. Is Upwork the next multi-bagger opportunity? What happened with Upwork? Upwork in 2021, investors' favorite star, pandemic boom, freelance economy exploded. But then stock crashed 90%, $64 to now trade around $13. Why the crash? Not fraud, not bankruptcy, not competition taking over. Real reason, valuation bubble burst. High growth tech got punished. Market overreacted in fear circle. Upwork stock may explode in the next 5 to 10 years. Here are 5 powerful reasons why. Reason number 1. According to data, global freelance market projected to reach more than $21 billion by 2032. CAGR of more than 17%. Why? Remote plus flexible talent is the new normal. Gen Z prefers freelancing. Upwork is like Amazon for services, and this wave is just starting. Reason number 2. Upwork is one of the market leader freelance marketplace and is just getting started. Upwork market share in 2025 more than 68%. Freelancing is trending globally, especially post-COVID. Upwork has seen a significant increase in active clients between 2020 and the first quarter of 2025. Here's a breakdown. 2020, more than 6 lakh active clients. First quarter 2025, more than 8 lakh active clients. Percentage increase more than 28%. Upwork mode can be seen in its strong network effect, its established brand and trust, and its focus on providing a wide range of services and features for both freelancers and clients. This combination of factors creates barriers of entry for new competitors and help Upwork maintain its leading position in the freelance marketplace. Reason number 3. Upwork financial strength, highest ever revenue. Continue growing revenue, highest ever net income. Look at this number. Debt to equity ratio 62% is manageable. Very strong operating cash flow and free cash flow is a very good sign for any businesses. Profit margin more than 30% and return on equity ROE almost 50%. It's all are excellent number. Reason number 4. Smart money is buying. Insiders and institutions invested in Upwork. Almost 8% of shares held by all insiders and almost 90% of shares held by institutions. Big fund don't invest without deep analysis. They believe in long-term upside. Reason number 5. Valuation. Stock price near 2020 COVID level. But the business is stronger than ever. Here's why. Highest ever revenue, highest ever net income, very strong free cash flow. Trailing PE 7.75, forward PE 10.89. Would you like to buy a shop that doubled profit but sells at half the price? Final thought. Upwork is down 90% but freelancing is up long term. With smart NT and long-term patience, Upwork has chance to become a multi-bagger. Remember, Warren Buffett say, be greedy when others are fearful. Also, Warren Buffett say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That means don't invest more than 5% in one stock, especially if you are beginner. Upwork is a fair, global, profitable business at a great price. What you are thinking? Comment below. If you found this video valuable, hit subscribe and press the bell icon. No hype, only logic.